Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the map or location within the Temple Run 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temple Run 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, if you wish to play a different location than the one that is currently selected, just tap on the maps option at the bottom left corner. You will now see various different locations or maps that are available for you to play. If you haven't already unlocked any map, then you can simply tap on the gems option to unlock it using your gems. Or you can also watch an ad in order to unlock various locations. And after you watch the ad or use your gems, the level will be unlocked and you will now be able to start playing this level right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the map or level within the Temple Run 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.